country road, take me home to the place I belong. I've come to New York City to become the pastime songwriter in the country. And it's all for the Irish Sea. Take my song in the air. And if it comes down anywhere, they whisper in our ear, reminder of Dublin so fair. With the tanks and the guns, oh my God, what have they done to the town I had hugged so well? While I'm still walking, sing a pretty song.